Elena thought she had it all. A marriage, a home, two beautiful children. Until the day her husband walked out, taking their savings, their future, and their kids. In one afternoon, everything vanished. She found herself in a women's shelter, sleeping on a thin mattress, crying herself to sleep every night. Rock bottom had a name, and it was hers. She felt worthless, broken, abandoned. The pain cut deeper than any knife. But in that darkness, a mother's love refused to die. Oh, piece by painful piece, Elena began to rebuild. She worked odd jobs during the day, studied business at night, saved every single dollar she could. Then she took a leap, started a small catering business from her tiny kitchen. Word spread, orders grew. Her food didn't just feed bodies or carry her hope. Slowly, she proved herself in court, fought for her children, and one day, she brought them home. But Elena didn't stop there. She started teaching other single moms how to launch their own businesses, sharing her recipes, her systems, her courage, turning her pain into platforms for others. Today, her catering company thrives. Her children are happy and thriving beside her. And the shelter she once called home now sends women to her for guidance. Her strength reminds us all, when someone leaves with everything, you can still rebuild something even better. Endings are not the end, they are invitations to new beginnings. Elena turned betrayal into breakthrough, loss into leadership, heartbreak into a helping hand for hundreds of other mothers. If life has knocked you down, if someone walked away with pieces of your heart, remember Elena. You are still standing, and your comeback story is just beginning. If Elena's journey from devastating divorce to building a business and lifting other single moms inspired you, subscribe for more powerful stories of resilience, reinvention, and turning rock bottom into new beginnings. Hit that bell, share your own comeback in the comments, and let's keep proving that endings can be the most beautiful new chapter.